Hey all, I am Subha and I am making this quick video to let you know that there is a Black Friday promo going on Bookboard right now. You can get Bookboard Pro for 6 months for only $119.95, almost $120 for 6 months. That is actually equals to $20 per month, and it gives you a lot of features, brand new features. This is their normal pricing. If you subscribe to their monthly plan, the newbie plan would be $11.99 per month, and it's very limited in terms of features. If you subscribe to their pro plan on monthly basis, you will be charged $23.99 per month, and that would be equal to almost $143 for 6 months. If you subscribe to their yearly plan, you would be charged $19.99 per month. That would be billed annually, and it is the same promo going on here, and it will give you $119.95 for 6 months, 3-day free trial, keyword research or product research, cover and interior designer, Amazon search volume, KDP Spy, 24/7 support, 1000 monthly AI credits to create AI generated books, puzzle creation tool is included, crossword creation tool is included, Sudoku creation tool is also included in this promo. You will be getting a lot of features for the next 6 months. Research, create and publish high quality books on Amazon. Once you enter your details here, you will be on the page like this. Here you can enter your card details, and if you want to apply my coupon code, you can try. I think it won't work on Black Friday promo, and here you would be see your order total and you can confirm your order. So that was a quick video from me. I hope you will find this helpful. If you have questions, do let me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.